Took nothing to something, I took the time out to let them divide us just struggling and never found out who. I code a vision, it's Saudi, it's like a hideout. I make a move in the morning, fuck it, let's ride out. Them Lamborghinis be scribing on any corner. Ain't really nothing I ain't had, nigga, you know I ain't lying. Keep your money in front of you, I had to tell the little homie. You stop believing these hoes, you had the time of your life. Mask on out in public like you ain't never known. Pills turn them to zombies that ain't forever rolling. How many times you ain't wanted, then they tell you what you gonna do. Had to dip off from London, I had too many that night. Fuck your favorite rapper, his number ain't even numbers. Fuck your latest designer, this that new Yeezy come up. Platinum cars turn milk chocolate to peanut butter. Niggas claiming they call me, ain't even have my number. In the midst of a storm and you see me stunting on him. He gon' handle that for you, now you forever home. Fuck the head of the company, I'm the better owner. Y'all put hurdles in front of me with bananas on them. Then you wonder why I ain't but go bananas on them. Protect your hair from this burn like it's tanning lotion. See, we started off hustling and we ended up balling. I had to follow my calling, now we forever rolling. Forever rolling.
Why you always act like you want me to come and jack you up? Never gonna be you against the world, cause I'ma back you up. You know where we standin', bro, the cap ain't nothing. I was on my last and I can't ask for nothing. They get on your ass soon as I press the button. It ain't no comparison on one-on-one. I pray God amputate my legs if I was to ever run. Youngest doing shit I don't condone, but I still pay they bun. I don't fuck with dog, but I look out for Mondo. If I needed a spot, I let them play the condo.